Good morning, students. So today I will complete that exercise 2.3. Okay. In that up to question third completed. So start question number 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx the quotient and remainder were the quotient and remainder were this. Find gx. Okay, means applied division algorithm. Okay, so by division algorithm. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so dividend, this is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 divisor gx into quotient x minus 2 plus remainder minus 2x plus 4. So we have to find gx. Okay, so first transfer this that side. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, this transfer this side. So minus in the bracket minus 2x plus 4 is equal to gx into x minus 2. So this. Okay, so open the bracket. So x cube minus 3x square plus x cube, plus x plus 2, this will be plus 2x minus 4 is equal to gx into x minus 2. Okay, so gx is equal to, so x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus x, so plus 3x, 2 minus 4, so minus 2 upon x minus 2. So this divide by this, then find gx. So divide this. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So divide by x minus 2. So here x cube, so multiply by x square. So multiply, so x cube minus 2x square. Okay, cancel. So this minus x square plus 3x minus 2. So minus x. So minus x square plus 2x. So 3 minus 2, 1, x minus 2. So gx, okay, x minus 2, so plus 1. Okay, so what is coming, that this is equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is answer. Okay, then do question number 5. Give examples of polynomials px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm. So division algorithm means here px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Okay, so division algorithm and condition is okay, degree px is equal to degree qx, means we have to satisfy division algorithm, and in that degree of px means dividend, degree of dividend is equal to degree of quotient. Okay, so like for this we have to take example, and one thing, listen carefully, for these questions, okay, answer will be different, so don't think that your answer and book answer both will be same, maybe different, because here only we have to satisfy this condition. Okay, so degree of px means degree of dividend is equal to degree of quotient. So take one example. Okay, so x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So degree, this is dividend, degree of dividend 3 and degree of quotient also 3. So we have to divide by constant term. Suppose 2x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So divide by 2. Okay. So divide by 2, then what? So 2 and here 2x cube, then x cube multiply. Okay. So here 2 and by 2 we have to divide x square. So but in 2 by which we multiply, then get x square. So x square by 2. Okay. So multiply. So x square cancel. Then x. So x divided by 2 means x by 2. Then plus 1. Okay. So remainder this one. Okay. Okay. If 1 by 2, this also we can write. Okay, and also you can check your answer. So if by 2, okay, so by 2 multiplying quotient means dividend is equal to division into quotient. So 2x cube, okay, plus x square plus x plus 1. Clear? So this is the example in which degree px means degree of px 3 and degree of quotient that also 3, and like this so many examples can be. Okay, another examples like x square plus x plus 1, okay, divide by 3. Okay, that also so many examples can be. Clear? And also you have to satisfy this division algorithm. Okay. Part second, degree qx means degree of quotient is equal to degree of remainder, means remainder, okay, and quotient their degree same. So here also division algorithm px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. So QX and RX, their degrees should be same. Divide by x square plus 1. Okay, so divide it. So by x, multiplying that, x cube plus x, so x square plus x, so and plus 2, so plus 1, x plus 1. Degree of remainder less than degree of divisor, so division will stop. So now x plus 1 means degree of quotient and degree of remainder both same. Clear? And also satisfied division algorithm means this is equal to this into that plus this means x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 into x plus 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, also you can verify. So this RHS multiply. So x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 plus 1. So x cube x square, x plus x 2x 1 plus 1, also verify. Okay. Then third part, degree Rx 0 means degree of remainder that should be 0, means degree means remainder should be constant, because constant their degree 0. Okay, so like x square plus 1, x square plus 2 divided by x square plus 1. So one time, or this suppose x cube. Okay, okay, 2, no problem. And this x power 4 you take. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, so this x square, so 2x square, subtract it, plus 2x, x times cancel 3, 2 1 2 1. Okay, so this one remainder and their degree 1 means 1 into x power 0, so remainder their degree 0. Okay, means we can write here 2x square plus 2x plus 3, this is dividend, so dividend is equal to divisor 2 into quotient x square plus x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, also you can verify this. So 2x square plus 2x plus 2 plus 1, so 2x square plus 2x plus 3. Clear? Then start exercise 2.4, and exercise 2.4 that is optional, but in board exam questions coming from this exercise 3.4. Okay, and for this exercise 2.4 also you have to write one formula. Okay, in previous exercises we have studied zeros for quadratic polynomial. So now today we will study zeros for cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial, you know, a polynomial whose degree 3 called cubic polynomial. So let a cubic polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d whose zeros are alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, then sum of zeros means alpha plus beta plus gamma, and this is the sum of zeros is equal to formula minus b upon a, and b is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square upon a means coefficient of x cube. Okay, then sum of zeros taken two together, so alpha beta plus beta gamma, okay, plus gamma alpha is equal to c upon a. Okay, and c is coefficient of x upon a coefficient of x cube. Okay, and the product of zeros means alpha, beta, gamma. So minus d upon a. Okay, so minus constant term, d is the constant term upon coefficient of x cube. Okay, so in quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus cx, and here cubic, so ax cube plus bx square plus cx square, and cubic polynomial, so three zeros alpha, beta, gamma, so sum of zeros minus b upon a, and here b and there b both different. There b was coefficient of x, but here b is coefficient of x square. A here coefficient of x cube, and in quadratic polynomial a was coefficient of x square. So that change you have to differentiate, and according that you have to learn and you have to understand. Okay, then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by d, equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, alpha beta gamma product of zeros, and this sum of zeros taken two zeros together. Okay, and this product of zeros minus d upon a, so minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. Understood? So this in exercise 2.4, that question 1 based upon this, means their second part based upon this. Okay, so in exercise 2.4 total 5 questions. Okay, so one question you can do here. Okay, that first one you can do here. One I am telling you. Okay, so exercise 2.5 question 1, their first part. Verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomial below are their zeros. Means cubic polynomial is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, and here given 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. So this is alpha, this is beta, and this is gamma. So first verify that these alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of this polynomial. So this suppose px, okay, let px is equal to this. So by putting, so p1 by 2, if by putting in place of x 1 by 2 and if remainder is becoming 0, then 1 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. And similarly, in place of x you put 1 and if it coming 0, then 1 also will be 0 of this polynomial. Say minus 2 in place of x minus 2 and becoming 0, their remainder also will. So 1 I am telling you, okay, 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 cube, what will be 1 by 8? 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. So this also 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 2, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. Means 1 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Similarly, you find p minus 1, that also will be 0. You check it and p minus 2. So these three are the zeros of this polynomial. Similarly, second part also in that given 2, 1, 1. So first you put 2, x is equal to, then x is equal to 1, okay, and then again x is equal to 1. And after that, this is first part. Second part also verify the relationship. So relationship, here you verify first alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b upon a, and alpha beta gamma 1 by 2 you will take here plus 1 minus 2, okay, minus b, compare the given polynomial by this polynomial. So b is there 1 and a 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this minus 1 must be verified. Clear? Then second, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, putting alpha beta gamma values in left hand side and in right hand side c value ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So c value minus 5 put here and a value 2 minus 5 by 2, and in left hand side putting alpha beta gamma values, and after solving if this also coming minus 5 by 2 means verified. And third one putting alpha beta gamma their values, and in right hand side d, that is 2 and a 2, so minus 2 upon 2 minus 1, and here alpha beta gamma, so 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 2, 2 to cancel, so minus 1 is equal to minus 1, that also verified. Okay, so this was question written here first. Okay, so there's both parts you can do from yourself. Okay, remaining I will tell in next video. Thank you.